So very good morning and welcome to this particular course on the fundamentals of digital marketing, and we want to see the very important topic again. Actually, what is the traffic with respect to digital marketing? So we want to understand this today. Let us go to the discussion. Right. And what do you mean by traffic in digital marketing? Actually, when you talk about traffic, so we want to see we're going to understand what they are actually the website visitors, and that is actually the traffic digital marketing. We're going to understand web visitors and online engagement. What are the types of traffic which is coming in, and what are the lead generation strategies, and then traffic analytics. So let us we're going to see all this in detail. And just give me a second. Yeah. So introduction to digital traffic today. Um, Now, traffic today in digital marketing actually means that actually the users who visit a website as well as social media page or an online platform. So today that is actually called traffic. So it indicates also the popularity and reach of a digital presence. So when you talk about this particular statement, when you talk about you take any website as also a social media page, an Instagram page or a Facebook page, right? And also, if we talk about this Reddit-like platform, which is an online platforms, now the number of users who visit, so that is a broad definition of traffic with respect to a digital marketing. And the more number of traffic, it indicate actually that particular digital traffic is actually that particular popularity of the particular website is also a product, brand, or service is actually very platform. So um, reach and popularity, higher traffic signals actually signal a very wider audience, and then there is a very strong brand. The particular brand has got a very strong online presence. That is why there is a lot of traffic. And then the next lead generation is also very much the potential for lead generation is very much increases when there is a website or the social media. The digital traffic is very high because more is visitors, then there is a chance of converting them into leads and sales. And multiple sources. Traffic comes from various sources like search engines, social media ads, email, and more. Uh, Next. So why traffic is very important with respect to digital marketing? So the one is actually the brand visibility. Next is the leads and conversions, as I told you, and search engine ranking. So search engine results are also one of the variable which goes in the search engine ranking is actually the number of what is the traffic in the particular website. So that is definitely going to improve your search engine rankings. And then definitely the business growth for long-term scalability and revenue expansion. And then we can get a lot of insights into the customer and optimize a lot of marketing strategies. Sources of website traffic. One is actually the organic, the search engine results. When you type actually a keyword in a search engine, based on that, actually, when you get to the top three listing, it's an organic one. Paid is actually for targeted advertisements. And then direct, where the customer types a URL directly. And then referral, where we get backlinks from other websites. And then social media is again a huge channel today. Email marketing and newsletters is also the other options. And organic traffic. Um, Organic traffic is actually, as I told you very clearly, where the customer for a particular website is arriving through actually the search engine results, not because of paid advertisements. So the key strategy here is going to be search engine optimization. So here the most important benefit is actually the free traffic where you're going to acquire the customer at zero cost, which is something very significant. And then credibility is also very high in terms of organic traffic because customers rely on you. That is why actually they actually particular go come to your website. And then long-term sustainability, it's a very important compounding over time. Paid traffic is referring to paid advertisements. You get an immediate traffic increase and results. So, for example, if you talk about these are the paid traffic normally, Google Ads, social media ads, as well as display advertisement, where we get banners. Visual banners today are very interactive across websites to build awareness and retarget potential customers. Direct traffic where user directly types in the website address and then for example, if you enter amazon.com directly, then it's a very clear and a strong indicator of the popularity of the brand and the loyalty towards the loyalty of the customers. So brand recognition, loyal customers, and then repeat visitors, they directly type in actually the website. Referral traffic is coming through links from other websites. Common sources are partner websites, online directories, and blog recommendations. For example, if you talk about LinkedIn as a platform, can redirect significant referral visitors to the company's website. Social media and email traffic. So social media traffic, you're talking about Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, as well as X. And then next is email traffic, where we get a lot of potential visitors by clicking in the marketing emails. So this is also one more source of traffic. Now, what are the strategies to increase the website traffic? Search engine optimization has to be continuously focused so that we get a higher ranking in the organic search results. And then content marketing and blogging is actually very, very important. Where we're going to publish keyword-rich content, we're going to attract and retain the audience. Social media marketing and engaging the audience on this very key important platform, and then influencer marketing, where we're going to partner with the key influencers and we can reach targeted audiences. And then online advertisement campaigns, where you're going to pay unpaid campaigns in Google, Facebook, and Meta, and as well as other for immediate results. Tools for measuring the website, we have this Google Analytics, and we got SEMrush and Ahrefs. And these are some of the metrics which are tracked: number of visitors, traffic sources, bounce rates, page views, as well as conversion rates. Now, what are the challenges in traffic generation? So now very high competition. For the top portions, there is too much of competition for the search engine result pages. The algorithms are frequently updated by Google and social media, which can disrupt your existing strategies. And then ad fatigue, because repeatedly customers seeing the same ad, they get that and they block that repetitive advertisement. And then content saturation, and there's a lot of content already there, so you need to stand out. So that is actually one of the key challenges in traffic generation. And then in European countries and very advanced countries, there are laws which limit the data collection and targeting capabilities. So future trends, today we're going to see video-based traffic, where video, short-term and long-term video is going to drive massive engagement across platforms. Then you're going to have personalized content. We're going to tailor marketing messages, which is customized to the customer based on individual preferences. Today, you want to search voice search, and mobile first strategy is going to be the key, because a lot of users actually reach the social media as well as internet through mobiles. And AI marketing is today also playing a very important role. And to conclude, traffic is actually the number of visitors coming to website from various sources like organic, paid, email, social, and direct referral. And these are some of the strategies for effective traffic generation: search engine optimization, advertisement, as well as content marketing. And then bottom line is actually, when you successful digital marketing actually attracts and then analyzes and converts the website traffic into customers. So thank you very much. Thank you.